Good day, YouTube. This is Jay Money with Falling Forward Financial. Just an update here on Tilray. I've covered a couple MJ plays here lately, and Tilray is always a popular one. They had the nice run up here on February 10th to 63.91, and just as you can see, coming down ever since then, down 77%. The last 3 months down over 44%, and the last month down over 19%. In the last week, up 10%. And here's a look at today, what it's done. So, had it dip by there to 564, currently at 576. I have 16 shares here. The zero cost basis is in regards to these used to be Afria shares. And so it used to be Afria, and then Tilray took over. And so that's why it's a zero cost basis. If you don't know much about this one, feel free to pause, but this is a consumer packaged goods company in regards to MJ products, but founded in 2018. Volume of 11.59 million, average of 21.59, and a market cap of 2.64 billion. 52-week low of $5.15 and a high of $67. Here's a look at the ratings, 67% hold. And here's a look at their next earnings on April 11th. And moving on over here to, this is currently showing it as a hold here. And pummeled Canopy growth, Tilray Rebound on renewed banking push, and this is dated on the 1st. After falling out of favor, pot stocks including Canopy growth and Tilray brands are rebounding in a risk-only rally with the renewed push to get MJ legislation passed further, helping fuel the rally. And I talked about the safe, the secure and fair enforcement on my Canopy growth video, so you'll want to watch that one as well. And I've also done some other MJ videos in regards to just talking about different legalization in Tennessee and Montana, and the first 4 states that were legalized. There are kind of some interesting videos, interesting information in those videos. Pot stocks Canopy, Tilray, Rebound on renewed legislation push. This is dated on Tuesday the 1st. So here's kind of a 3-day bounce after enthusiasm. And just like a lot of MJ stocks, they've all been down as of lately. After falling out of favor, pot stocks including Canopy Growth and Tilray are rebounding in a risk-on rally with the renewed push to get MJ legislation passed, further helping fuel the rally. Canopy Growth, which sells Martha Stewart branded CBD gummies, has climbed 25% over the past 3 sessions, while Tilray advanced 19%. Investors are weighing prospects for legislation not known as a secure and fair enforcement or SAFE banking act that would make it easier for MJ companies to do business, as a Colorado representative pledged to renew efforts to get approval before his retirement. The advance comes after a tough year of pot stocks. Tilray and Canopy are still down more than 80% from last year's highs, as the prospects of U.S. federal legalization for MJ dimmed. ETF, Alternative Harvest ETF, or MJ, which I've talked about quite a few times, that's the ticker MJ, is down nearly 70% from its February peak as sector sentiment cooled. And I've talked about quite a few different ETFs. MJ, I think another one is MSOS, THCX, there's another one, YOLO. I will link those videos in the description so you can watch those as well. Those also do give a dividend, which is kind of nice, but if you like to totally diversify, not only into individual stocks, but you can get some a little bit of action off of the ETFs as well, and get a little bit of a dividend. Unless you have quite a few hundred or thousand shares, you're not going to get rich off of the dividend, but something is better than nothing, so. And you can reply no here as well. So StockTwits currently at 565, 52-week low of 520 and a high of $67. What happened after hours? Tilray awaiting a buy signal. They just can't come out and say we're going to make hordes of money. Our future distributor saw a lot of interest calls today, as my fave saying, I see on StockTwits, someone must know something. Whipsaw for shorties. Over here on MSN Money, currently showing it as a hold. And here on Tip Ranks, currently as a hold as well, with an 87% upside to $10.62. And so here's another look at Tilray. So it looks like they did shoot up a little bit after hours. So it looks a couple cents, but that's all that I have on Tilray. I might be doing some other MJ stocks. There's another one I was going to do on legalizing, where MJ was legal in, I believe, Mississippi. I have that article to go over, and I'll be turning that out here shortly. But if you have Tilray, go ahead and list that in the comments along with your cost basis, any other information you'd like to share. And if you haven't smashed that like button yet, go ahead and hit that for me, as well as subscribing and hit the bell so you're notified of when the next videos drop. Again, this is J Money, Falling Forward Financial. Happy trading, happy investing, stay green. Cheers.